The fans, another updates kung saan si Miss Barbie Fortesa ay inamin na kanyang balancing buhay, buhay ng personal at buhay pag-ibig. So Barda, may special awards from TV. But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at hit mo na rin ang notification bell for more showbiz updates. Bago tayo of course magpatuloy sa ating updates for today's video, nais kong pasalamatan kayo for always watching and trusting this channel. Thank you so much sa inyo pong palagiang panonood at palagian ninyong pagsubaybay sa mga updates po natin. Maraming salamat po. At ngayong araw, i-congratulate natin si Mr. David Licauco and Miss Barbie Fortesa sapagkat isa sila sa sabi dyan, kikilalanin sina Barbie Fortesa at David Licauco bilang German Moreno Power Tandem Award sa 2025 PMPC Star Awards for Television. Pararangalan sina Barbie at David ng German Moreno Power Tandem Award at bilang pagganap nila bilang sina Adelina at Hiroshi sa Pulang Araw. Gagawaran din ang Eyewitness bilang half former of Best Documentary Program, samantalang kinilala rin ang yumaang aktres na si Gloria Romero bilang isa sa mga icon of television, Philippine television. So, talaga namang abot langit ang pasasalamat nga nitong si Miss Barbie at saka si Mr. David Licauco dahil talagang nakilala at kinilala ang kanilang pagganap, kakaibang pagganap dito po sa kanilang katatapos lang na serye na Pulang Araw. Sina Alden Richards, Kim Chiu, Piolo Pascual ang magsisilbing host ng awards night sa March 23 kung saan magkakaroon ng performances sina Julian San Jose at Christian Bautista. Sa araw din yon, malalaman kung sino ang pararangalan ng Best TV Station, Best Drama Actress, Best Drama Actor, Best Supporting Drama Actress, Best Supporting Drama Actor, Best Male TV Host, and Best Female TV Host. Ang maganda lang po dito kay Barbie Fortesa at kay David Licauco, talaga makikita mo yung pag-grow ng kanilang karera at the same time na-acknowledge po ng mga award-giving bodies kung paano po sila talagang nag-grow as an individual actors and actress, And there are times na na-award din po sila or kinikilala sila bilang as love team, not an individual actors and actress, as a love team. Ito po ay kaibahan dun po sa mga ibang love teams na kung tutuusin, wala pa namang 10 years na magka-love team pero still kinikilala na po sila. Kaya naman congratulations Miss Barbie and David Licauco. At ngayon naman ay sa isang post nga ni Miss Barbie Fortesa kung saan finlex niya yung kanyang work-life life balance in latest snaps. Napag-usapan kasi ito sa isang online news kung saan makikita mo dito na pagkatapos na maraming mga hurtful moments and painful moments nitong si Miss Barbie Fortesa, masasabi niya ngayon na talagang balance yung buhay niya. The Kapuso Primetime Princess Barbie Fortesa is working hard but is slaying harder. On Instagram, shared her work-life balance photo dump, giving fans a peek into her coffee runs, family time, and fitness routine. She showed how she juggles career and personal time and reminded people that balance is a key to thriving. Take a look at Barbie's take on work-life balance here. The Kapuso actress Barbie Fortesa is the best tita ever to Miss Lucien. And Barbie Fortesa also enjoy cozy Tagaytay trip with her family, indulging in delicious food and sweet treats. And also, si Barbie Fortesa din is never po siyang nag-skip ng any coffee fix. Barbie Fortesa also shares a fun mirror of self moment with her niece Lucien and with sweat-breaking limits, and also dine out with their sisters Gabriel Bernesa and their father Antonio Fortesa. So, sinasabi niya dito na talagang nagkakaroon siya ng quality time, Alam niyo po, kung mapapansin po ninyo, pagkatapos ng breakups niya dati sa kanyang karelasyon, makikita mo sa mga mukha ni Miss Barbie Fortesa that she's really happy and talagang napaka-positive nung pagpasok ng 2025 sa buhay niya. Parang tinanggal niya yung toxic sa buhay niya, tinanggal niya yung pabigat sa buhay niya, no? At kasi parang feeling ko ha, kapag dun sa relationship kasi na meron siya dati, nung naging magka-love team sila ni David, parang nagkaroon na ng, hindi man aminin ng dati niyang karelasyon, pero talaga nagsiselos naman talaga siya, may selos factor. Pero what is good thing about this one is talagang napag-aralan ni Barbie kung paano niya balansein yung buhay, even without that past relationship. And sabi nga po ng ilang mga netizen, 'di ba, na parang sinasabi nila na kung balanse ang buhay nitong si Mr. David Licauco or Miss Barbie Forteza sa kanya pong personal life, I think this is gonna be the best time para magkaroon na rin siya ng balancing love life. Kayo po, anong yung saloobin patungkol dito? Comment down below. And for that, narito naman ang ilan sa mga komento at reaction po ninyo patungkol naman sa ating latest update. So, magbasa tayo ng mga komento at reaction. Unahin po natin ang komento, Ma'am Chi Israelita Godoy. Sabi niya, possible, David belongs to a business magnate's family at a young age with background of master's degree. He know how to run and manage established business to a valuable one. If Barbie is your vision of your significant other, you need to feel appreciated and you can make, no? Ito po yung kanyang komento na talaga namang kumuha ng ating attention. Barbie is your vision of your significant others. You need to feel appreciated and you can make that happen. Use your lover intuition to connect with what you love wants the most. Maybe it's time for Barbie and David to establish their own family. The sooner the better while still young. Changes is the essence of life and the one brought into your relationship will prove to be beneficial. Believe in yourself and take a chance on the creation idea that's been in your mind making. Ayan, so inform, decision, and weighing liabilities will work to your advantage. Go on, fulfill what you want. And pagdadagdag pa niya, sabi niya, to do experience life to be while young, Barda the couple soulmate, top 1 and bankable star. Ayan. So sila po talaga ay talaga namang kinikilala at masasabi talaga natin na tama yung sinasabi ni Ma'am Israelita Godoy na sila po isa sa mga bankable star of their generation. Sabi ni Miss Joyce Sacera, for 50 or 12 months roughly, mga 4 million a month, but I think it's gross income minus tax, operating expenses, etc. Another one, sabi ni Miss Anita Diaz, in North America, the higher the income, the tax bracket gets higher. David shouldn't have answered the interview's question regarding his income, etc. These are confidential questions. He could have just eluded nicely. Just my opinion, yes, Barda are matured and ready for the next stage. They should do it before Barbie's clock start to tick. Thanks for the reassurance and being truthful and factual. Yan, thank you Ma'am si Anita Diaz sa inyo pong komento. Actually, tama po yung sinabi ni Ma'am si Anita kasi may possibility kasi na baka ma-check din siya ng BIR, ano? Kapag po kasi talaga nagdeklara ka ng iyong income publicly, may ganyan talagang magaganap. Sabi ni Miss Nora Tulio, need official confirmation announcement na sila na talaga. Though, lahat kita naman natin ang sweetness at gesture, kiss and spas, forget her. And sabi ni Mr. Mark Aaron Gonzalez, Barda. Ayan. So, tama naman si Ma'am Nora Tulio, no? Kailangan natin talaga ng confirmation coming from Barda. Sabi ni Ms. Pamela Villarmino, wala na, Barda na, forever na ang Barda. More blessings sa Barda. Yan. So, ito po yung kanyang komento with regards to this, which is totoo naman, diba? Napakarami pong blessing na paparating ni Barbie at ni Mr. David. Parang this is gonna be their year. And sabi ni Ms. Herminia, hayaan mo na sila pag single kasi pag aasawa habang buhay na po yun. Ang sabi ni Ms. Pamela Villarmino, syempre sila ang magkasama, si David at Barbie. So, yun po yung kanyang komento with regards to this. And, dahil nga, parang nasa right age na rin naman sila, pero parang feeling ko lang, ang dami pang gustong ma-achieve ni Barbie at ni Mr. David Licauco bago po sila lumagay sa tahimik. And that's it for today. For more videos and updates, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And please don't forget to follow my Facebook page, Dar Eds TV. God bless everyone!